Hi, welcome to an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton product. I have not purchased anything from Louis Vuitton in a bit. I'm still on the fence about certain things, but this item jumped upon my radar, so to speak. Good friend of mine clued me in that this was available, and it seems like it might be the thing that works for what I'm needing. So I went ahead and thought, let's give it a try. So let's unbox it and let's just see what we think of it, and then I'll share my story about what I hope it works for. Let's go. So here's the box. Let's open this up. Ta-da! Okay. Receipt, the item, the box. This is a brand new pouch. It's called the Key Pouch S for Key Pouch Small. There's a small, medium, and large. I'm hoping that the small works for me. I may need to go up to the medium, I'm not sure. The large is an interesting one also. However, it says it's a key pouch, but it doesn't have the key chain thing to it. It's just a pouch. However, this is the one I got, and this is what I hope it works for. So first of all, let's open it and see it. And then I'll explain to you, and we'll go through what it, what I'm hoping it works for. Box, it's one of the drawer boxes. Let's check this thing out. Here's the bag. Here it is. So basically it's a key pouch. It's larger than the normal regular sized key pouch, as you can see. That's how much bigger it is if you're familiar with this one. Use these things for so many reasons, but we're just gonna try out this new small version of this set. First of all, let's take a look at it. It looks like everything is aligned beautifully. Check out the quality for starters. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. Pull tab. There isn't a big gap here or anything. That's nice. So that passes inspection. And open it up. And we have this, which seems to be new. I've never known them to do this before, where it's attached like this. Interesting, it just says Louis Vuitton. I ordered this online. So yeah, it's just knotted on there basically. Interesting. Let's remove it for now. Inside there is a little slot here for cards. And in that, it looks like we have the textile card. It has the attached keychain with the LV. And the way you do this is you pull up and then out. That's how you undo it. So this could be out, this could be attached to a D-ring in your bag. You could put your keys on it and put it in, and so forth. So yes, mine is made in France. It does say that, I'm not sure if you can see that. Made in France. The website said it would be France, Spain, or I'm not even sure where. But there were choices, but this one's made in France. The zipper's really good, a little bit sticky, very little bit right there. Hopefully that will loosen up some. Okay, so here's what I'm hoping it works for. Generally speaking, I use these two products all the time. This is my wallet, so to speak. I keep my most used cards back in this zipper compartment back here. This is no longer available. It's the Empreinte key pouch by Louis Vuitton, and it came in this gorgeous Empreinte leather. I love this. But my most used cards I put in this back part here, okay? It's right back here. And I have 4 cards back there. Okay, that's where I put my most used. Then other things, cards and whatever I put in here. Now I could go through this and probably get rid of it. You know, there's quite a few things. I have a little bit of cash back here folded also. So that's the plan, and it does have the key chain in there as well. So that's what I carry with me all the time as my wallet and have for so long. This is the Gucci playing card case, and do I ever use it for cards? No, I do not. I've not even opened the cards. I use it as a place to put my keys. So these are my keys, and I'm hoping that this can house my keys and the cards that I use all the time from this. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? So first of all, let me attach the keys to the keychain. I do have a fairly large fob and a couple other keys, and then I have this thing that I can easily use to then like attach it to my belt loop or something. I just always keep that on there. I don't know why. This is also from Louis Vuitton from 100 years ago. I don't know if these are even still available, but they're very handy to have. Okay, so those are my keys. Those will go in there. It will take up a decent amount of the pouch, but I'm wondering if it will be a problem. That's the question. Okay, so let's start with the cards that I use the most. Those 4 cards, 1, 2, yeah, 4 cards that I use the most. I'm going to see if they fit down in that inside pouch. Yes, they do. Okay, so that they just fit right there. So those would be the ones I just instantly grab. So now I have some space for a few of the other cards. Like I said, I have a bunch in here that I don't really grab for, like gift cards and things I could use in a different place. First of all, cash, I'm gonna definitely put in there. My quarter that I keep in case I go to Aldi. I need a quarter for the cart. I always have that in there. Those don't count. This, yes, I want that for sure. Just going through the few things that I do still want to keep in there at all times. Yeah, I just have kind of some gift cards and things I don't even use. Voter registration card. Yeah, not, and there's an eye insurance, yeah, okay. So, that was loud. So these are the cards I would want in there at all times. I can plop those in. My cash, my quarter. It absolutely does fit. It absolutely does fit. So all of that could be one pouch instead of these 2 pouches. Now granted, I didn't put every card that was in here in here. I'm not sure that's even possible. Let's just see. Here's the stack I chose not to include because I rarely ever use. It's definitely tighter. It does zip, but you can see it does one of those things. But I really don't need those cards. Why I carry them with me everywhere I go, I don't know. Yeah. But even if I wanted a few of them or half of them, I feel like that would work. So that's what I need to decide. Is this worth it, having this one pouch wherever I go? I've got my keys and my cards with me, and they're attached. I think it's kind of perfect, really. And I do like that there is extra space for a few more cards in case I do want to bring them with me somewhere. Or if I get someone's business card or whatever, I can easily just slop it in there. The medium was very cute and very tempting. However, I don't know if it's too big for a lot of my small bags. So that's why I went with this one. So yeah, that's all I have for you. I just really wanted to share this with you. Let you know they're available in small, medium, and large. I'll show you the pictures that I have of them and see what you think of yours and see if you think that it would work for you or be useful enough for you. Now, if I kept my keys out, which I could easily do also, then there's tons of space in there, just boatloads. There's still lots of space in there. You see, for example, like here's a chapstick. It goes in there easily, so any, like a lip product would work, you know. Stuff like that. So that is the pouch. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is helpful for you in any way in case you are looking for videos to see what it's like. Here you go. This is what it's like, and let me know what you think of it. Like if it's something that you think you would use. Because generally speaking, I use my SLGs forever. When I get one for the long haul, for kind of for everything, and use it all over the place for all sorts of things. So I got to decide if I think this one will be one of those. Now it looks like it probably will, because I do feel like I could use it for lots of things. Thank you so much for joining me. Love you to pieces. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.